It's April 26th of 2022, and spring is here, but I must still wait. But while I wait, there are a few chores that I can do. While the hostas and iris bulbs start showing themselves from underneath the ground after the snow has finally melted. I wanted to start another permaculture bed to the right of the one that's already there. I was halfway thinking that the one that's already there that was built in 2015, it's time for it to move on to better places, better pastures, so to speak, and move on to the new permaculture bed when I flip over the soil that is there to see what is underneath, if any logs still exist, which I probably don't exist any longer. So I mapped out a light chart from noon until 4 or 5 in the evening to see where the light cast. I have trees in my backyard at my neighbor's big ass shed. Yeah, it's huge. And I have a lot of shady areas. So where I wanted to put the new permaculture bed, right smack dab in the middle of the shade, it only sees the morning sun, and it sees the evening sun in April around 4 p.m. But the trees have not fully or even begun. They're only budding now, so they haven't even leaved out yet. So more than likely, there won't be any sun where I want to put my new permaculture bed. So I've decided to refurbish the old one, build the new one, and put a wattle fence around both of them with a neat design that I have in my head. Now I have a lot of branches that I can use. I have a great hand saw that I just ordered from my favorite place that I order from. And I have new clippers that I can clip sizes down and make a wattle fence in a design that, I think is going to be magnificent if I can pull it off.